Hi there, this is Adam Jones from the Wolf Rock Boat Company. Hope you guys are well. Today I'm down at the slip in Salcombe. It is a beautiful day, there's not much wind. It's a perfect day for getting out on the water and testing a boat that I have not been on before. I've seen lots of photos and a few videos of, and I'm really excited to get a proper look at, and that is the UMS 655cc. That's the center console 655 UMS that's fresh in from the guys in Ukraine. Somewhere behind me, the guys have been out taking some photos in both the 655cc and the 485 DC, I believe. All of these boats are going to be coming to Southampton Boat Show, which is just a mere few weeks away, which is absolutely crazy to say, and we're really excited to see you guys there. UMS for us is a brand that we brought to the UK, or certainly took over the distributorship in the UK just before Southampton Boat Show last year. So there were a few boats there, but they weren't fully rigged in the Wolf Rock way, and this year we have got so many UMS boats that are going to be on the stand and on the water at Southampton International Boat Show. So on the stand, we're going to have a 700 HT, which is a cabin version of the boat. We've got an 800 HT on the water, which is obviously slightly bigger than the 700. They are amazing aluminium adventure boats and well worth having a look at. We're going to have a 655cc and DC on the stand, as well as a 485cc, so a center console 485. And we are going to have the 585 DC on the water, as well as my 545 fishing, which is going to be on the Suzuki stand for the entirety of the boat show. So today I've got my fishing rods just behind the camera. I'm going to jump out on the 655, which, good timing, you can see is just behind me, and it is the CC version of the 485. So you've got a center console 485 and a center console 655. That 655 is just going to be an amazing boat on the water. I'm so excited to give it a go. I've been out all weekend on my 545, and I've got to say the hulls on these boats are just amazing. They are so solid, fully welded, super thick aluminium, and I'm really, really excited to have a go on that 655. So I better go and help these guys tie up so I can steal the 655 and go and have some fun, show you guys the boat, and let's get out there and see if we can catch a few fish. Come with me. So here we are. This is the UMS 655cc. Last week I was out on the DC variant of the 655 and it absolutely blew my mind, and this 655cc is no different. It's an incredibly well laid out boat which is really solid and capable of taking you out in even those slightly rougher seas for any time of year adventure. You can see you've got an ergonomic console, full walk around being a center console with 2 seats behind the console and a full beam bench seat with plenty of space up front. If you're interested, come and have a look at this boat at Southampton. Here we have the 485cc and the 700 HT from UMS. This 700 HT is a fantastic cabin boat which is capable of obviously taking you offshore for those big fishing adventures, or just generally having some fun with paddle boards on the roof, out and about across the seas of the southwest and beyond. This boat is powered by a 200 horsepower Suzuki and really does have to be seen to be believed, and we will have an 800 on the water at Southampton. And last and definitely not least is this 485cc. This little center console boat with a 60 horsepower Suzuki is more than capable of towing and having a great amount of fun on the water. These boats drive fantastically, and like I said, is well worth coming to see them at Southampton International Boat Show.